Home Remedies presents
Old Doctors. We mix honey with cloves to fix 10 problems after 60, results in 7 days. Hello and welcome. What if a simple mix of honey and cloves could relieve pain, boost immunity, and even sharpen your memory, without prescriptions or side effects? This natural duo has been quietly sidelined by mainstream medicine for decades. But today, we're pulling back the curtain. Honey isn't just sweet, it's a biochemical powerhouse with over 200 active compounds. Cloves, the highest antioxidant spice on earth. Together, they form a healing synergy so potent, researchers call it pharmacological magic. Let's explore 10 health problems this mix can help solve, and how to use it. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Important note, always use finely ground clove powder, not whole cloves, for these remedies. Powdered cloves release their healing compounds more effectively and blend smoothly with honey for accurate dosing. 1. Chronic inflammation. The root of most age-related diseases, from arthritis to Alzheimer's. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon raw honey with a 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. Take twice daily for 30 days. 2. Respiratory infections. Soothes cough, clears airways, and fights infection. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon honey with 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves. Take 1 teaspoon every few hours during symptoms. 3. Cognitive decline and brain fog. Boosts memory, protects brain cells, and stabilizes energy. How to use: take 1 tablespoon honey with a 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves each morning before breakfast. 4. Joint pain and inflammation. Reduces stiffness and nourishes joints with anti-inflammatory compounds. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon honey with a 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. Take twice daily for 3 weeks. 5. Insomnia and sleep disturbances. Promotes deeper sleep by balancing neurotransmitters and blood sugar. How to use: take 1 tablespoon honey with a pinch of ground cloves 30 minutes before bed. 6. Weakened immune function. Enhances immune surveillance and reduces inflammation. How to use: take 1/2 tablespoon honey with a pinch of ground cloves each morning. 7. Oral health issues. Fights gum disease, eases tooth pain, and freshens breath. How to use: mix 1/2 teaspoon honey with a 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves into a paste. Apply to gums after brushing, leave for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse. 8. Poor circulation. Improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to tissues. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon honey with a 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. Take twice daily for 30 days. 9. Metabolic imbalances. Supports insulin sensitivity and stabilizes blood sugar. How to use: take 1/2 tablespoon honey with a 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves before breakfast. 10. Chronic stress and adrenal fatigue. Balances cortisol and supports nervous system recovery. How to use: take 1 tablespoon honey with a pinch of ground cloves in the morning and again mid-afternoon. Some feel results in just 48 hours. Others see deeper healing over weeks. Try it, stay consistent, and share your experience in the comments. If this helped you, subscribe for more natural health tips. Your body is ready to heal, give it the chance.